ZANU-PF has moved to tighten internal control by introducing a new social media policy that will criminalize the sharing of party information on digital platforms by unauthorized members. Sana pila mashukubdani kwa panamba twins mnangagwa moves to silence Chiwenga. Tulibo subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timina ZVAITWA chiti. The policy now awaiting final approval by the Politburo is being framed as a tool to restore discipline and curb the misuse of social media platforms, which the leadership say has sworn discord within the party ranks. Speaking at a ZANU-PF provincial coordinating meeting at Masvingo Polytechnic on Sunday, National Political Commissioner Machacha said the policy will regulate how party members engage on digital platforms. In course, the party's social media policy is now ready. It's with the national leadership for final scrutiny and is only waiting for political approval, said Machacha. He added, this policy will guide how our members conduct themselves on social media. The days of abusing these platforms to undermine party unity are numbered. Machacha warned the punitive action would be taken against members who use social media to foment divisions within ZANU-PF. He emphasized that all cadres must remain disciplined and loyal to the party leader, President Mnangagwa, who remains the party's one center power. Machacha also dismissed allegations linking him to a faction of elites known as Zvigananda, saying there was nothing unconstitutional about members having economic influence. Chigananda is simply someone who controls the means of production, such as lead, for the purpose of generating profit. That is not in violation of the ZANU-PF constitution, he argued. Thomas panobuda panapa ATAURA aiwa nana Machacha atukuna kuti aiwa da ine move yakunyazi kusilence General Constantino Chiwenga kuti vashaiwe kana any power kana any say. Tiona kuti they are consolidating everything vachizvicentralize one mutungamiri wenyika. Tudze mafunguro echimoti kudipa musoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, so subscribe or like, so turn the bell icon.